Hey guys, I'm Shanley. Today I'm going to tell you about this pool cleaner tune-up kit from Polaris. This kit helps tune up Polaris 180 and 280 cleaners. It comes with all of the internal working parts of a cleaner, though hoses and floats are not included. And the critical tolerance parts that are included in the kit come pre-assembled to ensure a precision fit. Once you replace the pieces, your automatic pool cleaner will run just like new. And as always, we offer unbeatable prices and fast, free shipping.